Hello beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Boxycharm Premium for the month of October 2020, and we're going to go over the products and try on and as well as reviews and all of that good stuff. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. I do the unboxing and try-ons of the beauty boxes, fashion, and the makeup try-ons and all of that good stuff. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for being part of this family. Without further ado, let's dive in. This is the card that we got this month. So this is Boxycharm Candy Shop, and I got in the version 15. All right, let's see the products that I got. The first beauty that I have is this one right here, and this is the tinted face oil from this brand. I'm not sure how to say that, so I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it. I actually thought this is the, what is that, foundation, and this is one of the product that I chose, so I'm going to try it. Oh, okay. This looks very watery. Let me see. I think I got in the shade 7. Not sure if this is the right shade, but let's see. Okay. Yeah. So this is how it looks, which is amazing. And let's see about this beauty. So this is the tinted face oil foundation, a clean featherweight light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir with application that takes as little as 10 seconds. The breathable formula evens skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. And this one retails for $42. Amazing. Let's see the one that we have next. The one that I have next is this one, this beauty. So this is what the go-to exfoliating swipe piece, and this is foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin, and we got 50 pads. That's amazing. So let me open this one. Oops. Oh, it smells citrusy, like grapefruit. So this is how it looks inside. So they do have the pads in there. So these are the pads, and it kind of smells good. Okay, let's see about this beauty. So this is go-to skin care exfoliating swipe piece. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHS, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. Awesome. And this retails for $35. I want to see like how it feels. Yeah, it kind of feels good and also smells good. Smells like a witch hazel combined with grapefruit. And it kind of foams. Am I supposed to wash it after it? I don't know. But this is how it looks. Yeah, it kind of looks brighter. And this is the one that I didn't apply. So you see the difference, right? Wow, These are amazing. I might use them. All right, so that is that. And let's see what we have next. And the next beauty that we have is, wow, and this is the first time that I'm getting this one, that is the lashes. I haven't got lashes so far, so I'm really excited about this one. So this is how the lashes looks, and let's see about this. This is MAC Cosmetics 70 Lash Dramatically Winged Out Lashes with a unique crisscross pattern for an ultra glamorous flare that gives the illusion of elongating the eye shape, and this retails for $18. Amazing. And next we have this beauty. So this is Illuminati Cosmetics, and this one is the eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $48. This has collaborated with Isabel for an ultra versatile palette. Oops. Creating evening an evening glam look or perfecting daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person, and this retails for $48. Wow, I love the colors. Like, look at these ones, so pretty. I like this purple dream, and I don't think I don't like any of this kind of color in my collection as of now. It's really good. And this pastel kind of colors, like in here, all of these looks really interesting too. All right, so that is my next. And next I have this beauty. In fact, like most of the products are like usable kind of products which I really need, so I'm really happy about this one. And this is the Murad Hydrating Toner. Let me see about this one. Hydrating toner, and this retails for $35. An ultra hydrating alcohol free toner instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. And this is PCA. This has the sodium. PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts smooth the skin, and this retails for $35. And this is a toner, not a face mist, but who cares? I want to give it a shot. Okay, so I think, where is my last product? There it is. It fell down. So this is for my last product. This is the Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color, and this one retails for $21. No More Air Kisses, our pure pigment formula, stays true with soft, satiny color that stays put from morning peak to midnight smooch. The uniquely caved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application. All right. This is a really pretty color. Wow, I love it. Let me see what's the shade. It's a ruby romance. Let's jump to try on.